Hello learners. In this session, we're going to learn how to write a press report. Coming straight to the topic. What is press report? A press report is a document that announces a newsworthy story about your brand that the media might want to cover and provide all the pertinent information a reporter or editor would need. Some outlets will share your news based solely on the press release. Other times, they'll contact you to arrange an interview or use you as an expert source of another story. This is especially the case when you are regularly sending out press release sharing stories of the newsworthy topics. After knowing about press reports, let's understand benefits of writing press reports. First, it's a cost-effective tool you can add to your marketing strategy, especially for startups that may have limited budgets. A well-written press report also helps you control your story. You can share what's important to you and call attention to the value of your offer. Another benefit is the option to share your press report on the news or press page of your website. All done with the understanding? Let's see how we can use it. How to create press report. Find a newsworthy angle. Craft an appealing headline. Summarize your story in your subtitle. Introduce essential information. Provide supporting information and context. Provide explanation to the context. End with your boilerplate. At the bottom of the press report, it is common to include 3 hashtag symbols to signify the end. Examples of press report. Thanks for listening. Maybe this listening.